Hi, Dan Cagle with Foamaliers.com. You know, you've been watching me making whales and dolphins and sharks and everything else. Well, a client of mine wanted this for their uncle, I believe. And what I'm doing is I'm tightening it up right now. Normally, when you work with foam, you can put a polyurethane on it to harden it, but it doesn't make it stronger. And I've dealt with this for 35 years. And one day I had to repair a place in my ceiling outside, so what I did on my roof, I got a product here. It's called BlackJack roof patch, and it is a fantastic product to use on your foam. It doesn't just tighten it up, it absolutely makes it so if you drop it, it don't break. So it's great for indoors and everything else. I'm getting ready to try an experiment for outdoors. I'll let you know how that goes. But right now I want to show you the evidence of what I was trying to tell you. Right here is the tail of the fish, and you can see how flimsy. See, it shakes a whole fish. Okay, you don't need that on a display that you're making for somebody. It takes away your quality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my material and show you what you do with it. You make a paste of it, get it ready, and then what I love about this is this is the weak point. I put it on very thick. I've got this watered down for something else I was working on, but normally it's very, very thick material. It's like this. But I've got it watered down, so let me get some of the thicker material and I'll show you what it does. You bring it in, and if it even slides across in clumps like that, that's okay. Right now, that is now made super, super strong right there on that joint. Now what I'll do is after this dries, I'll come back and I'll add a little bit more to this, and I'll add more to the front. But what we're going to do is we're just going to seal it off right now, just to show you. Go completely around your object. It's very important that you get around the whole thing because you want this thing tough. And this BlackJack will do that for you. So let me get around here. I'm sure you've seen a lot of the work that I've been doing, and some of it has frail pieces. Now let me turn it and I'll show you what we're doing. It's really, really awesome. Here's the display, the actual display. And he wanted to look more real, so that's what I'm gonna do here. But you take the material, now watch the tail. Right here where we're doing this. I'm gonna hold this part of it, because remember I told you this is the weakest part. Look how sweet. Right into the grooves. Absolutely perfect. So as you continue, you don't lose your carving, thank goodness. That's the problem with most things you try to use. Other materials fills in all the hard work you've done. So okay, like right here, it's pretty deep. I want to fill that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on thick and go right up in there. Look at that. Just like that. I'm telling you guys, this is the greatest thing in the world for carving your foam. And it is strong. One day I'll make a piece and throw it across the parking lot and prove it to you. But right now I'm going to start tying it in to the rest of the fish. And that's all I'm going to do with that. Now this is thin. If you look at it, it's thin on the front. But I'm still going to hit it. It's got a curve on the back, so it's stronger. But I still want this to be really, really like this. See, this is what you do not want. So what I'll do with that, let's use it as an example. I'll go around to the back, very thick. You see I'm just slopping it in the hole because I want this fin very, very tight and very well covered. And get some of the thicker material. Now we're going to go here. Go right there. See how I'm tying it in to the fish itself. just like this. Now when I get this completed, it's going to be a tough little booger. And I don't know what I would do without this product. It has revolutionized the work of the Foamaliers. And I know a lot of you have already started working with it, and you're showing me different things you've done. I think it's great. So continue to use this product. I back it 180%. One of the best products I've ever got my hands on. So anyways, this is Dan Cagle of Foamaliers.com. Check us out, and remember, this product is made by BlackJack, all right? And it's the white roofing patch, okay? But you've got to make sure it says elastic, crack sealer, and repair. Because there's others out on the market, but I guarantee you they're not the same. All right? So get back with me, and we'll see you on the return, and I'll show you what it looks like. But remember our slogan. I don't want to see you sitting around. I want to see you out there making money. This is Dan Cagle, Foamaliers.com.